out lots of Korean phrases that you can use throughout your time in Korea. So I've got some little phrase cards ready for you. So I'll pass them around and we can practice using them. So I'll pass them around first, and then I will try and do a demonstration on how to pronounce them, hopefully corrected by our lovely Korean guides. On your phrase cards and stuff, we've got all the important phrases that you'll need. So does everyone want to have a practice with me? So as everyone, I think a few people have tried to say hello. It's pretty long, but say 안녕하십니까? Everyone.
안녕하십니까.
Cool. So in the morning you can be like, hey Zoe, 안녕하십니까? Awesome. Cool. Nice to meet you. 반갑습니다.
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 반갑습니다.